Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HTBX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line notations are coming from. But after today's price movement, very, very impressive movement. The bounce continues and continued in a very big way here. So these lines down here, sure, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not really relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So I'm just going to go ahead and use these lines for some of the near-term levels. So one of the key levels now moving forward, and the level that I think a lot of people are going to be watching, so you can call this area a self-fulfilling prophecy or what have you, but right here at $1.92, there's so many breakout players they're going to be right watching, and rightfully so. I mean, that's a logical spot to be watching, but you see right there, rejected the price. This morning, rejected the price. This afternoon, rejected the price. So that doesn't, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that it's guaranteed that the price breaks through that area, some sort of massive upwards movement is going to play out. My point here is that it's a valid thought to have. It's a rational thought to have that if the price gets up there and breaks through $1.92, that very well could create quite a bit of upside, buying pressure. So keep a close eye on that from the resistance side of things. As far as supports are concerned, newest level of support is now up there around the $1.70 mark. And the key dynamic there is, not to insult your intelligence, but you see I had to adjust that green line higher. And whenever levels of support need to be adjusted higher, that doesn't mean that this thing is getting ready to go up to $10. But my point here is that that's a step in the right direction. That's what you want to see, assuming you're bullish and assuming you want to see trends begin to be built. So whenever levels of support need to be adjusted in the upwards direction, as I needed to do here, always a step in, like I said, in the bulls' favor there. So those are going to be the two main levels to watch going forward. But yeah, that $1.92 mark, very, very interesting level, very, very kind of in-your-face type technical breakout point. So we'll see if the price can get up there and then, more importantly, get the break. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.